Astral Hygiene. Today I'm coming to you from outside where it's absolutely freezing to tell you that we are ready with our supplies for the winter months. So our warehouses are full of rock salt for de-icing, which we sell in 25 kg bags. I'll pop a link down below once I go inside to get warm. We also sell De-Icer and Sub-Zero Screenwash. So this is dilute down screen wash that you can dilute down or you can pour it straight in and it will de-ice your windscreen down to -40. So it's really good stuff. We've also got 2 different snow shovels this year that we have in stock and are available. Links down in the comments. I would expect these to start moving quite quickly over the next few days, because obviously the weather forecast has said that the temperatures to drop. Thanks very much.